My name is Sophia White, and I'm studying anatomy and physiology, and my professor is Dr. Joyce Stewart. Today I will discuss about tissue types, their location, and their functions. But before I do that, I would like to elaborate a little bit about the hierarchy of complexity. Within the hierarchy of complexity, one would find cell, which is the smallest unit of life. Secondly, there is the tissue, which is a group of smaller cells. Organ is a group of similar tissue. Organ system is a group of organ. Organism is any living thing. Now I will discuss the tissue types. There are 4 different tissue types, namely the epithelial, the connective tissue, the muscular, and the nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue or epithelium is distinguished from other tissue because the cells are packed tightly together, meaning they are avascular. Blood don't flow through them. Epithelial tissue are distinguished by 4 different shapes: squamous, cuboidal, columbar, and transitional, which is not really a shape, but it has similarities to. I stand corrected. The transitional forms its own shape because it stretches. This is an example of the simple squamous. Right there where I'm pointing is the nucleus, and right there is the cytoplasm. The location of this tissue type, it lines the blood vessel, the heart, the lymphatic vessels, and their function is to filtrate, diffuse, osmosis, and secretion. This example now is the transitional epithelium, which varies in shape from the scale-like to the cuboidal according to the degrees of stretching. The location for this most likely is the bladder and portions of the urethra. Their function is to allow stretching of the urinary bladder, ureters, and urethra. Now I will discuss about the connective tissue, which is the most abundant in the human body. I will talk about areolar connective tissue. Contains elastic collagen and reticular fibers, as well as macrophiles. Their location is they surround the capillaries and interior organs commonly found on the epithelial tissue and in skin. Their function is providing elasticity, strength, and support to connecting tissue and organs. Next is the adipose tissue, which has fat storage area for adipose site. Their location is they surround internal organs on the skin and in long bones in the breast and in the abdominal area. Their function is to store energy, protect, and support other tissues in internal organs. Now I'm going to talk about the muscle tissue, which are special tissue for contraction. The example I'm going to use of the muscular tissue is the skeletal. Notice the striations on the slide and the muscle fibers with the nucleus. This is located in the skeletal muscle, and their function is for heat production, motion, and posture. Notice, now I'm going to talk about the cardiac muscle. The cardiac muscle has intercalated discs, which are not in the skeletal muscle, but they have the nucleus. With the cardiac muscle located in the heart walls, and their function is to form the heart wall and facilitate pumping of the blood. This slide is that of a multipolar neurons. So now we're going to talk about the nervous tissue. The nervous tissue is highly specialized to conduct nerve impulses. This slide is the cell body with the nucleus, the dendrites, the cell body of the multipolar neuron, and the axon. The axon, the nervous tissue is composed of neurons and neuroglia. The location is in the spinal cord and the brain. The main function of the tissue are to receive and transmit nerve impulses. As I was saying, axon conducts electrical signal to other cells, while the dendrites receive signal from other cells. It's very interesting talking about the tissue, because one would not know what can be seen or their functions or location with the naked eye. All of this are viewed under histology, that is through a microscope. Thank you.